the rest of the distress lock is completely intact, which means I really could reuse these locks. Oh my gosh. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. My name is Jaila, also known as JaiChanellie on the internet, so that is where you can find and follow me. Today I'm coming to take out these distress locks on camera, and so many of you requested to see this process. Of course, this is my first time trying distress locks, so this will be my first time uninstalling them, so go ahead and bear with me. But if you want to see how I take these distress locks down, talk about why I'm taking them down after less than a month, go ahead and keep on watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button, y'all. Also hit that notification bell so you can know anytime I'm posting a new video. And let's go ahead and get into it. So I installed distress locks on July 25th. Today is August 22nd, so I'm just shy of a month of wearing these distress locks, and it's time to take them down. I will tell y'all why I'm taking them down after less than a month later on, so stick around for that. But right now I just want to show you the current state of my locks. So I don't know about you, but I think they still look really, really good, and I could definitely get more wear out of these locks. But alas, they do have to come down, so let's go ahead and figure out how to get these out my head together, because I don't know, you probably don't know, that's why you're watching this video. We're gonna figure it out together. You may be wondering why my first instinct isn't just to go in and like cut them, and it's because I have no idea where my hair ends in these distress locks. Now I'm pulling out the roots, and I think I successfully separated a spring twist hair. Now I'm gonna find my braid. I'm gonna see if I can pull my braid out. Like that. This is the lock, and it kind of didn't have to actually touch the lock in order to free my hair. What I'm trying to do is find the loop at the top of this and see if I can somehow undo the crochet part. So I think I might have found the loop. I'm going to see what happens if I pull my hair through that loop like that. Ooh, look y'all. Here's my hair. Obviously I have lots of buildup at the very top. This was the loop that my hair was crocheted through. Of course, we pulled down this spring twist hair, but the rest of the distress lock is completely intact, which means I really could reuse these locks. Oh my gosh. I brought my scissors out, and it looks like we won't even need these scissors. That was one lock. That means I have 54 more to go. So what we did was we took a brand new distress lock. We went to the very top of that lock, and we started pulling at that spring twist hair. The idea is to expose your braid at the very top enough so that you can pull the braid out from the top and kind of release your hair from the synthetic hair. So let's see if that little process works for us again. And y'all gonna have to excuse the buildup at the very top of my hair. So we were able to unravel that spring twist hair at the very root. Now this is the actual lock. This is my natural hair. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out my natural hair. And this is what she's looking like, nice and crinkled and cute. And now I'm gonna try to find that loop at the very top of the distress lock. I think I found it right there. Yep, y'all see that? I'm gonna pull my hair right through that and pull out the lock. So now that we figured that out, we can go ahead and work through my hair. I'm gonna do a couple, and then we can come and talk about why I'm taking these distress locks out, and it's been less than a month, okay?
So as you will see in just a few seconds, sometimes I needed to employ the use of a rat tail comb. If that spring twist hair was giving me too much trouble at the root, I did go ahead with the rat tail comb and loosen it up. But for the most part, I was able to do this all with my fingers, no scissors needed, literally nothing, y'all. This was a lot easier than I expected, and I hope that this helps somebody if you are struggling with taking out these locks.
So let's talk about why I'm taking these locks out in less than a month. Well, there are actually a couple of reasons. The first reason I'm taking these out is that I have other content to film. Specifically, I have sponsored content to film. So I actually do have sponsored content to film, which is always really exciting for me, being able to book a sponsorship. This one is actually for Instagram, so make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at JaiChanellie, so y'all can go ahead and see what's up. Not only that, like, y'all know that I create hair content. That's basically what my YouTube channel is for. So I don't really have, like, I don't want to say I don't have the luxury to, because it's all a choice. but I can't really keep styles in super long term because the content that I create for y'all is mostly hair content. Gotta switch up the style so the people don't get bored. So yeah, so that is the first reason I'm taking these locks down. Second reason I'm taking these locks down is just beyond me being like a content creator and having to always create hair content. I just get bored really easily with hairstyles, and I have been getting bored with these locks. For me, the longest I usually keep my styles in is a month anyway, so I'm right on schedule. Third reason that I'm taking these locks out after just a month is because I am 99.9% sure that I have a dandruff issue. I apologize in advance if you don't like that kind of stuff. But yeah, I've just been noticing that not only is my scalp super dry, it gets dry really quickly. So it's not like, oh, your scalp's dry because it's super dirty and you have product buildup. No, it can be like the day after I wash my hair and I will still have flakes in my head. And I think it's just because I have dandruff. It's cool and everything when I can go in and wash my hair every other week. But since I've been wearing these locks for a month, the dandruff has just like been building up, especially like in the back of my head. I may show y'all, if y'all not freaked out, okay? I may show y'all what it's looking like in the back of my head, and it was low-key bothering me. So I was just like, you know what? Let's just go ahead and take these locks out and give our scalp some TLC. And you might actually be able to see that dandruff right here. I don't know if y'all can, but like at the very top of the lock, you know, where the spring twist actually starts wrapping around the lock and where my hair is actually crocheted in, that point built up so much dandruff right there, y'all. So alas, we gotta take the locks out. So I have a couple of questions for y'all actually, and you can go ahead and respond in the comment section below just to reply like question 1, question 2, question 3. So I have 3 questions for y'all. First question is, would you take down a protective style for sponsored content? Let me know in the comment section below. That's my first question. Now my second question is, how long does it take for you to get tired of a style? But yeah, that's question number 2. Let me know in the comment section below. And then question number 3 is, do you struggle with dry scalp? Do you struggle with dandruff? If so, just go ahead and like describe your journey, I guess, with dandruff, your experience with dandruff. So yeah, those are my 3 questions. I'm gonna go ahead and be quiet now and continue taking these locks out of my head. And I'll come back to y'all probably when I only have a few left to wrap it up.
All right, y'all, so we have reached the very last faux lock, or what I thought was the last faux lock. You'll see in a second it actually wasn't. I would say that it took me a total of 3 hours to take down my distressed locks, and that was 3 hours of talking on the phone and lollygagging and not giving this my full attention. So you can definitely get your time a lot shorter. I was pleasantly surprised with this process of how easy it was, how like little hair that I lost just from taking it down. I didn't have to be too rough. So go ahead and give this a try. Let me know if this makes your takedown process any easier. Thank y'all so much for watching, but stay tuned to the video.
All right, y'all, so this is my hair completely free of distressed locks. Oh no, I lied. I still got another one in here. Okay, now my hair is completely free of those distressed faux locks, and this is what we are looking like. A cute little crinkly, and most importantly and most surprisingly, my hair is so moisturized, y'all. Like to the point where it feels like the exact same level of moisture as it was when I put in the protective style. That means this protective style did what it was supposed to do. It protected my hair literally from root to tip. Unfortunately, I can't say the same for my scalp. So yeah, y'all, this is how you take out distressed faux locks without having to cut anything, with being able to save all of your distressed faux locks. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit that subscribe button. Also like this video so that YouTube can share it with other people. Go ahead and leave me a comment on what you think my next protective style should be. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye. Y'all, I'm so sorry that my videos have been overcast, but the outside has been overcast. It's been raining every single day and I cannot control the weather. So take it up with God. Can you get my driveway, please?